Jesus didn't offer a list of instructions. He offered himself. That's the heart of the gospel. William Barclay illustrated it this way. He said, suppose you're in a strange town and you ask for directions. And suppose the person says, take the first to the right, the second to the left, cross the square, go past the church, take the third on the right, and the road you want is the fourth on the left. The chances are that you will get lost before you're halfway there. But suppose the person we ask says, come along, I'll take you there. In that case, the person to us is the way. And we cannot get lost because the person is the way and he's taking us there. And that is what Jesus does for us. He doesn't just say, heaven's that way. No, he says, I am the way to heaven. If you want to go to heaven, you have to come through me. He doesn't give us advice and directions. He takes us by the hand and he leads us and strengthens us and guides us personally every day.